Welcome, herbal enthusiasts, to another insightful journey into the world of natural wellness. In today's video, we're delving into the realm of herbs that offer solace and support in times of stress and anxiety. As we navigate the challenges of modern life, these herbal allies can be transformative companions on our journey to tranquility and balance. It is important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or condition. We recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Chamomile, nature's soothing elixir. Our herbal exploration begins with the gentle charm of chamomile. Known for its calming properties, chamomile has been a trusted remedy for centuries. Its delicate flowers release compounds that interact with receptors in the brain, promoting relaxation and easing anxiety. A warm cup of chamomile tea can be a simple yet effective ritual to unwind after a hectic day. Lavender, a fragrant symphony of calm. Lavender, with its enchanting aroma, is not just a garden delight, but a potent stress reliever. The essential oils in lavender have been shown to have anxiety-reducing effects. Incorporating lavender into your surroundings, whether through essential oil diffusion or sachets, can create a tranquil ambience that eases tension. Ashwagandha, adaptogenic support. Ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb, takes center stage in our herbal lineup. Adaptogens like ashwagandha help the body adapt to stressors, supporting the adrenal glands and promoting a more balanced response to stress. Integrating ashwagandha into your routine, whether through supplements, tea blends, or tinctures, can provide sustained resilience in the face of daily challenges. Lemon balm, citrusy calmness. Lemon balm, with its citrusy notes, offers a refreshing approach to stress relief. This herb contains compounds that have mild sedative effects, promoting relaxation without causing drowsiness. A cup of lemon balm tea or incorporating it into your herbal blends can uplift your mood and soothe frazzled nerves. Passionflower, nature's tranquilizer. Passionflower, with its intricate blooms, contains compounds that have a calming effect on the nervous system. It's often used to alleviate symptoms of anxiety and promote relaxation. Including passionflower in herbal teas or tinctures can be a soothing addition to your stress relief routine. Valerian, root of serenity. Valerian root has been a go-to herb for promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. It works by enhancing the effects of the neurotransmitter GABA, leading to a calming and sedative effect. Valerian tea or supplements can be beneficial for those seeking a natural remedy for stress-induced sleep disturbances. Holy Basil, Tulsi, sacred adaptogen. Holy Basil, also known as Tulsi, is revered for its adaptogenic properties. It helps the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Tulsi tea, often consumed in various cultures as a sacred elixir, can be a grounding and uplifting addition to your daily rituals. California poppy, gentle sedation. California poppy is known for its gentle sedative properties without causing drowsiness. It can help calm nervous tension and promote relaxation. Incorporating California poppy into herbal blends or tinctures offers a mild yet effective approach to stress relief. Suggested tea blend. I always believe in the power of 3 when it comes to my tea blends. The power of 3 refers to starting with 3 types of herbs: your main focus herb, an adaptogen, and a complementary herb. An example of this in a calming tea recipe would be the following: chamomile, American ginseng, spearmint. Chamomile is your focus, as you are wanting to create a calming remedy. American ginseng is an adaptogen, helping your body adjust to stress, and opens you to letting that stress go. Chamomile and ginseng alone would make a fine but slightly bland tea. Adding a mint family herb, which could include lemon balm, spearmint, peppermint, or bee balm, offers a comforting aroma and enhances the taste of the tea. Lemon balm and bee balm have the strongest effect on anxiety in this plant family, but all plants in the mint family will help settle any digestive issues and will relax those tense stomach muscles. A heaping teaspoon each of chamomile, ginseng, and mint leaves, steeped for at least 10 minutes in water that has been brought to a point just shy of boiling, with a bit of honey added for taste, is the perfect solution to defeat stress and anxiety. Remember, individual responses to herbs can vary, and it's advisable to experiment with these herbs in moderation to find what works best for you. Always consult with a healthcare professional especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. As we wrap up our journey through these calming herbs, remember that the power of nature's pharmacy is vast and diverse. Experimenting with these herbs and finding what resonates with your body is a personal exploration. These herbal allies are here to accompany you on your path to a calmer, more balanced life. Embrace the tranquility they offer and let nature guide you to a state of well-being. Until next time, be well, and may your journey be filled with herbal wisdom.